Nothing about the anglerfish is normal. Here's why. There are places on Earth where light has never touched, where time feels frozen, and where the rules that govern life on the surface quietly fall apart. As we imagine descending into the ocean, the familiar world begins to dissolve. Sunlight fades into a dull blue, then disappears entirely. Colors drain away. Sound becomes distant. Pressure increases with every meter, squeezing space itself. This is not just a deeper version of our world. It is an entirely different reality. And somewhere in this endless darkness, a faint light flickers. Not from a star, not from a machine, but from a living creature. A signal in the void. This is where the story of the anglerfish begins. The deep ocean is the largest living space on the planet, yet it remains one of the least explored. More than half of Earth lies beneath waters deeper than 1 kilometer. A region humans can barely reach even with advanced technology. In this world, there is no sunlight to power plants, no warmth to sustain comfort, and no abundance of food. Life here survives on scraps, falling debris, drifting carcasses, rare encounters. It is a place defined by scarcity, pressure, and silence. For most organisms, this environment would mean certain death. Yet evolution, given enough time, finds a way, not by making life stronger or faster, but by making it stranger. The anglerfish is not a single species, but a group of more than 200 varieties, each adapted to this dark realm in its own unsettling way. At first glance, the anglerfish looks like a creature from a nightmare. Oversized mouth, needle-like teeth, hollow eyes, and a strange glowing appendage extending from its head. But none of these features exist by accident. Every part of the anglerfish is a response to a world that offers almost nothing and demands everything. Food in the deep sea is so rare that missing a meal can mean the difference between life and death. As a result, anglerfish are not built to chase prey. Chasing wastes energy, and energy is precious. Instead, they wait, motionless, invisible, and then they light a beacon in the darkness. The glowing lure that gives the anglerfish its name is one of the most eerie biological adaptations known to science. It sways gently in front of the fish's mouth, mimicking the movement of small prey. In a place where light usually means life, this glow becomes irresistible. What makes this adaptation even more unsettling is that the anglerfish does not actually produce the light itself. Inside the lure live bioluminescent bacteria, microscopic organisms that emit light through chemical reactions. The anglerfish provides them with a safe environment and nutrients, and in return they produce the glow that attracts prey. This relationship is so tightly linked that neither can survive without the other. Scientists still debate how such a partnership could have evolved in total darkness. Which came first, the fish or the light? And how did evolution decide that light was the solution in a world where light does not exist? As prey drifts closer to the glowing lure, the anglerfish strikes. Its mouth opens wider than seems possible, revealing rows of transparent inward curving teeth. These teeth are not designed to chew. They are designed to prevent escape. Once something enters the anglerfish's mouth, there is no turning back. Even more astonishing is its stomach, which can stretch far beyond the limits of its body. Anglerfish have been found with prey larger than themselves inside their stomachs. Sometimes this gamble ends in death for both predator and prey, but in the deep sea, taking extreme risks is often safer than waiting for another chance that may never come. Perhaps the most disturbing aspect of the anglerfish, however, has nothing to do with hunting. It has to do with reproduction. Finding a mate in the deep sea is unimaginably difficult. There are no landmarks, no schools, no predictable meeting points, just endless darkness. For many deep-sea creatures, encountering another of their kind may happen only once in a lifetime. Evolution's solution to this problem in anglerfish is unlike anything else seen in vertebrates. Male anglerfish are tiny compared to females, sometimes little more than living sperm carriers. Their sole purpose is to find a female. When a male finally encounters one, he bites into her body. Over time, his tissues fuse with hers. His organs gradually dissolve. His eyes disappear. His heart stops functioning independently. Eventually, the male becomes nothing more than a permanent extension of the female's body, a living reproductive organ that provides sperm whenever needed. This process, known as sexual parasitism, challenges our understanding of individuality and life itself. The immune systems of both fish somehow allow this fusion without rejection, something that should not be possible according to what we know about biology. Scientists still don't